Hello, children. Now, here I am with the book of PBL. It's page number 28. Here we are going to learn about where our parts of body are used to and what things you like to do with your hands, your legs, your mouth, and everything. So, shall we read this? Okay. And after I get it reading done, you will do all that things when you listen to it. So, okay. So, now it's your turn to listen to it carefully, properly. You will listen the complete video. Then again you will on the video. Again you will listen and you will do all the activities given in this book. Okay. So I'll go down slowly so that you can complete your activities. Shall we go on? Here I come. Let us read a story about different children. Find out who are most like and circle them. So here we have to observe the picture. You have to see the activities and you have to write down which activity you also like the same. Okay. See what this girl is doing? I can get things from the top of the shelf. This girl has kept her badminton racket at the top of the shelf and she is saying that I can get my things at the top of the shelf. Second, here what is this girl doing? I can get things from under the almirah. That means wherever the things are, either up or either down, these girl can collect it. Now here I move on the next page. Oh, this is your favorite. I can hoop the ball. I guess all the children love to play with the ball, right? Yes, I can do long jumps. Yes, my all girls and my all lovely boys, they all like to do the long jumps. Now I'm moving my next page. Let us see what is in the next page. I can hit the target. Oh, is it? That means he is playing the targeting game. I can read stories to younger children. Do you take care of your younger brothers and sisters? Do you tell them the stories about how you all play in the school? How you all have your tiffin in your school? How you have your lunch box? What stories your teacher says to you all? Do you share with your younger brothers and sisters? Wow, very good. Now, what is the next page? I can eat an apple. How can you eat your apple? Ah, yes, with your mouth. You'll bite the apple with the help of your teeth and you eat it. I can advertise for toothpaste. How many of them don't do brushing every day? Say me honestly. Ah, my very good children, you all brush your teeth every day, right? Very good. And this boy, her mother told him that you have to go for an advertisement. So he started brushing his teeth. Ha ha. Now let's see what is in the next page. I can count 10 on my fingers. Oh, come on, open your fingers. All 10 fingers, both the hands. And now you all will count. On my one hand, there are how many fingers? Come on, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers are there in my one hand? 5. Now I will go with the second hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, he is correct. He says, I can count 10 on my fingers. Now come on, you all will also count your fingers. Hold your hand how he has done in the book and you will count your finger and you will tell me whether they are 10 or no, okay? I can count 11 on my finger. Is it possible? No. When you count your 10 finger, again you have to hold your hands like this. That means that are complete 10. Then when you open both the hands, then you can count 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The same on the next hand. You can go on 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 fingers. Got it? Now on the next page. Oh, I guess he is running on the road. He says, I can run like a horse. I can make clay pots. Wow, he's making such a beautiful pots, right? I guess if you're having a clay in your house or soil in your house or nearby, you can take out and you can make small, lovely, cute things, whatever you like. You can even make the pot, small pot of your own hand size, छोटे छोटे pot जो आपको अच्छे लगते वैसे, और वो pot बना के आपको मुझे उसका फ़ोटो क्लिक करके भेजना है, ठीक है? अब ये सब एक्टिविटीज़, all these activities, you all are going to listen my video 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then you will perform all these activities like what you can do with the parts of your body, and you will send it to me. Okay, children? Now let's see. And these 2 pages I am going to send you for homework, because here it is given I can use my hands too. So you have to think and you have to write here what you can do with your hands and can use my hands too. 2 times you have to write 2 things. I can use my legs too. I can use my legs too. You can write here with my hands you can hold the things. The girl was taking the racket from the shelf. She was holding the racket. Beneath the shelf, there was a brush. So she was holding the brush. Even you can say you hold the toothbrush with your hand. You play with the hand. You eat with your hand. You take a bath with your hand. You play rackets with your hand. You hold glass of water with your hand. You hold your bag, you hold your bottle, you hold your tiffin. Many things you all do with your hands. So you can write it here. I can use my legs too. So for legs, you jump with your legs, you hop with your legs, you run with your legs, you tap your legs, you hop with your legs. As many things you can write it down here. Here I can dash with my teeth. So with my teeth, what you will do? Correct. The boy was eating apple. So you can write down here that thing that you do. Okay. I can dash with my teeth. So 1, 2 are there. You have to write you can eat fruits with your teeth. You can bite sugarcane with your teeth. You can bite almonds with your teeth. Got it? Then here I can dash with my ears. Okay, what he does with his ear? Correct. I have sent the poem day before yesterday that what you can do with your ears. You listen the beautiful sound around you. आपके आजू बाजू में जो भी आवाज़ आती है, टीवी की, बेल की, गाड़ियों की, एरोप्लेन की, बर्ड्स की, वो सब आवाज़ें आपको कहाँ से सुनाई देती है? कानों से, ठीक है? आपको कान की आवाज़ें एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए आपको 1 मिनट के लिए आपके दोनों कान बंद करने हैं और फिर चेक करना है कि आपको कुछ सुनाई देता है कि नहीं. दैट मीन्स आपके कान अगर बंद है तो आपको कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा, वो आपको पता चलता है. नेक्स्ट आपका पेज है आई कैन विथ माई टंग. हम हमारे टंग से क्या करते हैं? करेक्ट, हम लिख करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं, अगर हमारी टंग नहीं रही तो हमारी आवाज़ भी नहीं आएगी, ठीक है। और हमको टंग पे क्या आता है, टेस्ट आता है। जो हम फूड खाते हैं ना उसका टेस्ट आता है। आई कैन विथ माई आईज, आँखों से क्या करते हैं, पलक झपक के सोचो। कम ऑन थिंक, क्लोज योर eyes and think what you can do with your eyes. Yes, my children, you can see the beautiful world with your eyes. Many things are there in this world which are very beautiful. और वो आपको दिखती है आपकी आँखों से, राइट। आई कैन डैश विथ माई आइज़, आपको आइसक्रीम दिखती है तो आप बोलते हो ना पापा आइसक्रीम लेके दो, राइट। नोज से स्मेल आती है बाहर, मम्मा प्लीज़ मुझे वो पिज़्ज़ा लेके दो, मुझे बहुत खुशबू आ रही है, बहुत भूख लगी है। कौन बोलता है, चॉकलेट का दिल में ललचाव आता है तो बोलते हो ना मम्मा प्लीज़ आई वांट अ चॉकलेट, राइट। मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है चॉकलेट, हम दोनों खाएंगे स्कूल में आने के बाद, सब खाएंगे, ठीक है। ओके, सो ये सब आपको आपकी नोटबुक में लिखना है। मैं ये दोनों पेज आपको फ़ोटो क्लिक करके भेजती हूँ। जिसके पास बुक है those who are having the textbooks with them, they will write it in the textbook itself. Those who are having the printer, they can remove the printouts and they can write it and file it properly, so that when the school opens it will be easy for you all. And those who are not having textbooks or printer, they can write it down in the notebook. Okay children, this beautiful art, see, this is a person, this is me, that means I am there. With my hand, I myself can hold the computer, can hold the crayon, can hold the scissor, can hold the book, can hold a file, can hold the key. So all these things I can do. So in your own words, you will write what else you are love to do. आपको बहुत कुछ पसंद है करने का, वो आप लोग मुझे भेजोगे, ठीक है बच्चा। टिल द टाइम, बाय बाय।